Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your current location on Android. Alright, let's dive in. So you go to your Google. You can see your Google Maps. You don't have a Google Maps here. You can go to your Play Store and go and install your Google apps there. So this is it. Once you click on your Google apps here, you will see your maps. Click on your maps here, and this is your maps. This is the maps of your present country, your present city, and your present area. So if you look at this, your profile menu here that it look like S. Also, just click on it, and this is why S is, because the S is the beginning of my name. So your maybe P or maybe R, depends on your name that you use to sign in on your Google. So if you haven't signed in on your Google before, it's going to say you should sign in there. So this is it. Now you just scroll up here and you will see, you can see location sharing. Click on your location sharing here, and this, you can see click on share location here, and this is it. Who do you want to share your location to? Is it your mom, your dad, your sister, your husband, or anybody, your cousins, to know your exactly time or your exact where you are? Just click on anybody. And I want to call to share my location to someone now. You can see, is it for 1 hour until this so time on, until you turn this off. That is when the person will know the exactly where you are. So just click on anyone you want, or you want to share to social media. Is it your chat, your Telegram, your Chrome, your Gmail, anywhere you want to share your exact location? Maybe you want someone to come and meet you where you are, and you do not know how to tell them exactly where you are. Just open your Google, open your maps, share the location, and that person is going to know exactly where you are to come and meet you there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. And if you want to know any more on anything, you can drop it in the comment, and guys, trust me, I'm gonna show you everything about it. Thank you guys for watching.